Hey guys, how you doing? This is Louis Gaming from server 773, but currently I'm playing in server 102 and I got some new Honorable campaign mode, which was like we have update around 2 weeks, last 2 weeks. So now we have new alert tower, you can see, and we got restricted area training. As you can see, we got several map in here. We can dispatch some units. We can see the power count. The training squad is ready for action. Training attempts, there is a one training attempt for a day. So first of all, let's see information about this training rewards. Training rewards are calculated every 30 seconds. Each type of training grants unique rewards. Higher stage difficulty provides better training rewards. Current stage restricted area level 1 battle encountered probability 95.83. So we're gonna get armament materials, like for researching in armament institute for unlocking T11s, and you're gonna get campaign medals. Still you're gonna get some campaign medals from here. Anyway, the previous honorable campaign mode is now replaced with this restricted area challenge. Okay, so you can get training supply boxes also, in which you can get armament core, armament materials. You can get campaign chests as we had them previously on honorable campaign mode. Also, there is a challenge reward. You can challenge bosses anytime to test your unit strength during the training. Each defeated boss grants a victory reward. Higher stage difficulty provides better boss rewards. So there is also gonna be a boss, and you'll get some armament core and materials for them. Let's start it, or maybe here is event record. So let's see what we have in restricted area. I'm gonna hit the start button. So training has begun. Okay, training time, you can see it's gonna be like 4 hours. I don't know what to do, like it's automatic or something, or do I need to like hit the challenge boss for that? Let's see. Oh, okay, I mistakenly hit the boss challenge, but let's see if we can win. No, I guess battle defeat. There's auto challenge also. Okay, so you can see we still getting some rewards, and you can see now they're facing the enemies just like exploration quest, etc. They will like training automatically, and we don't need to do anything. We just can collect these rewards from here as they like train. Here you can see kills, etc., and nothing to do, I guess. Now like they'll automatically fight the zombies in these 4 hours of time, and we'll get some loot, like you can see in here according to their power and battles. So that's it, guys. This is a restricted area training for you in season 4, after season 4. So that's it for today. I hope this video helps you. Then please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates.